years old, raped, 6 weeks pregnant, already traumatized, was forced to travel to another state.
The disturbing story of a 10-year-old Ohio rape victim forced to cross state lines to get an abortion. Just one of many scenarios now playing out, advocates say, following the Supreme Court's overturning of Roe v. Wade. And as Republican lawmakers across the country introduce proposals to further undercut women's reproductive rights, those looking to preserve them are pushing back.
We are watching in real time the widespread consequences of those who've declared a war on choice.
Congressman Josh Gottheimer on Monday announced legislative action he is taking against who he called extremists, taking direct aim at new legislative threats to in vitro fertilization after 166 members of Congress co-sponsored the so-called Life of Conception Act, which not only creates a national ban on abortion, but also creates a new personhood status after fertilization.
If an embryo doesn't survive for implantation, it would be considered an illegal abortion.
In addition to threats against IVF, concerns are also being raised over new legislative tactics being used to access women's personal data, whether it be on social media or mobile apps. That would help determine if they had or were thinking about having an abortion. Despite the New Jersey state legislature codifying Roe v. Wade into law earlier this year, Dr. Elizabeth Talmont, a provider at a Planned Parenthood facility in Hackensack, says the climate has caused confusion among her patients.
We all read the newspapers every day, but people clue in at different times, and that's particularly distressing.